Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
Miss.
Miss.
Morning,
Good
Miss.
morning, Miss.
How are you guys today?
I'm doing
I'm
doing great.
fine.
I'm
I'm
doing
doing
good.
great, Miss.
Right. I'm glad you are fine. For today's lesson, I was kind of wondering, do you ever told your friends about phenomenal in this world that just happened recently? Do you guys have something to tell your friends?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
All right. Can you give me an example of it? Maybe something? What phenomenal that you just have seen or just heard what it is? Hello.
Miss,
Yes?
lately it's very, very hot in here. I think the weather is getting hot. It's constant between 34 Celsius in here. So I think it's getting hot. The weather is getting hot.
Oh, so it's kind of like global warming happening right now.
Yes,
What
yes,
do you mean?
yes, Miss.
Okay. Thank you. Is there any more example? Well, if there's no other example, then I want to talk about what is just you guys just talk about. Like when you said that to your friend, that is called explanation. And today we're going to learn an explanation text. Kalau bisa bahasa Indonesia namanya teks eksplanasi. Next slide, please. Okay, so the definition of explanation text is explanation text is a which tells process relating to the performing of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena. Explanation text is to say why and how or the forming of the phenomenon. It is often found in science, geography, and history textbooks. Jadi di sini teks eksplanasi ini tuh bisa kita lihat eh, sebagai sebagai teks yang menjelaskan sebuah fenomenal yang terjadi di dunia ini. Ya, biasanya ini digunakan di buku sejarah, di buku sains, di buku geografi, dan buku-buku yang berbau non-fiksi. And kalau misalnya kurang jelas from the definition, the purpose is explanation text is a text that process relating to forming a natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomenon to explain how or why something happens. According to the Mark Anderson and Carrie Anderson, explanation text is a text type that is often used to tell how and why things occur in nature. Jadi di sini uh, tujuannya itu untuk menjelaskan suatu fenomena yang ada di dunia ini secara rinci. And then next slide. Seperti teks pada umumnya pasti ada strukturnya, and this is the generic structure of explanation text. Yang pertama, explanation text harus ada title. The title provide a brief overview of a topic or phenomenon that will explain in the text. So, for example, what caused an aberration. Jadi title ini digunakan untuk menjadi petunjuk atau menjadi uh, apa ya namanya tuh ya tiang tiang dalam sebuah teks gitu loh sebagai inti sarinya. For the second one is general statement. This paragraph provide a general introduction to the topic that will be explained briefly. This state this general statement can be short introduction or brief explanation of the background of the topic that want to be discussed. Di sini tuh general statement ini digunakan sebagai introduction kepada topik yang akan kita bahas. Misalnya kayak uh, apa sih yang bikin abrasi itu tuh bisa dijelaskan abrasi itu apa dulu, terus di mana terjadinya abrasi. Lalu nomor tiga itu series of sequence paragraph. Di sini tuh intinya ya, main fokusnya di sini, a series of paragraph is a step by step explanation of how or why something happens. Each paragraph will be written in cause on an effect sequence and connect from beginning to end. This order to help readers follow the flow of the explanation effective. Jadi bukan hanya dia menjelaskan, tapi juga menjelaskan secara step by step, secara langkah dan langkah. Jadi satu ke poin satunya lagi gitu loh. Jadi nyambung kayak tadi, abrasi itu tuh bisa terjadi karena apa? Awalnya tuh kenapa sih kok bisa terjadi gitu loh? Terus nanti setelah dia terjadi, apa yang akan terjadi pada pada saat abrasi itu sudah muncul? Terus apa akibat yang disebabkan oleh abrasi itu? And final and for the fourth one is conclusion, closing paragraph. All ini in, con- in concluding paragraph, you can summarize the main points that have been explained and write a paragraph that convey the impression that all information in explanation text is indeed valid. Jadi di sini itu sebagai kesimpulannya lah intinya dari ketiga struktur yang sudah ditulis tadi, yang sudah dijelaskan tadi. Ini nomor 5 ini very depend. Ini visuals. Generally visual in explanation text is created and represent through this diagram of flow charts that can help readers understand the concept better. However, this section is usually optional depending on the topic being discussed. Jadi sini sudah dijelaskan tadi, dia cuma untuk menjadi tambahan data kepada teks eksplanasi yang ditulis gitu. Next. Okay, I have an example of explanation text. Can one of you read it for me?
Can I try, Miss?
Yes, you may.
Okay. Photosynthesis. Amidst the intricate dance of nature, photosynthesis emerged as a solar alchemy, transforming sunlight into the essential substance of plant life. Chlorophyll, the green pigment within chloroplast, orchestrates a symphony of biochemical reactions, converting carbon dioxide and water into glucose. This transformative process not only fuels the vitality of plants, but also release life-enabling oxygen into our atmosphere. In contemplating this botanical marvel, we gain insights into the foundational role of photosynthesis in sustaining life on Earth. Appreciating the solar alchemy of photosynthesis unveils the ingenious of design of nature where sunlight becomes the catalyst of life sustenance. That's all.
Thank you so much, Najla. After you read that explanation text, I want to explain why is one of explanation text. It's on the next slide. Yes. So why is it an explanation text? Because it has four main structure of the explanation text. It got title. It got title. It's also explained. It apa? In this explanation text is conclude process. There's also facts in it. There also result. For the first one is proses. Dia menjelaskan proses tentang mengapa bagaimana sebuah tumbuhan itu makan. Jadi dia makan dari berfotosintesis. Yang kedua adalah dari fakta ya. Jadi faktanya ada soal klorofil, soal sunlight, water, and carbon dioksida. Dan yang ketiga itu ada results-nya diberikan kepada kita bagaimana fotosintesis itu bisa membuat menjadi sumber makanan tanaman dan membuat oksigen untuk untuk living creature in Earth gitu. Jadi juga ada di sini bagian general statementnya. Introduce photosynthesis as an important process in plant. Jadi di sini tuh mengenalkan kepada pembaca kalau misalnya fotosintesis itu sangat penting kepada tumbuhan. Lalu dia menjelaskan juga dan memberi deskripsi bagaimana cahaya matahari, air dan karbon dioksida digunakan untuk membuat glukosa dan oksigen. Dan konklusinya atau kesimpulannya explain why photosynthesis is important to life on Earth. Nah, jadi di konklusinya ya fotosintesis itu sangat sangat penting ya bagi tumbuhan dan makhluk di sekitarnya. Oke, for the next slide. Okay, before we do some exercise, can one of you read this untitled explanation text for me?
I want to try, Miss.
Yes, please. Go
Okay.
ahead.
The water cycle is the continuous movement of water on Earth. Water from ocean, rivers, lakes, and plants evaporates into the air because of the sun heat. This water vapor rise and cool, forming clouds through a process called condensation. When the clouds become heavy with water droplets, precipitation occurs in the form of rain, snow, or hail. The water then returns to rivers, lakes, ocean, or the ground, where the cycle begins again. The water cycle is important because it provides fresh water for living things and help regulate Earth's climate.
Okay, thank you so much, Rafi. So after you read that explanation text, what do you think the topic or the title of the explanation text here?
I think this about the water cycle, Miss.
Yes, absolutely correct. Thank you so much. And after you guys read this explanation text, we can move to exercise. Okay, I have 5 exercise here. I want you guys to answer one of them. Please take your time to find the answer, and after you find it, you can raise your hand or tell me that you're ready to answer.
Miss, I want answer at number 1.
Please, Naura, let's go.
Number 1, what causes water to evaporate? The answer is C, the sun's heat.
Yes, very good. Thank you so much.
I want to try number 2.
Okay, Rafi, let's go. Show me what you got.
What is the process of cloud formation called? I think the answer is B, condensation.
Yes, correct. Thank you so much. Can anyone answer number 3?
I wanna try, Miss.
Yes, go ahead again, Naura. What it is?
Which of the following is an example of precipitation? The answer is A, clouds.
Yes. Thank you so much, Naura. Number 4, please. Anyone?
I want to try, Miss.
Miss Najla, let's go. Show me what you got.
Where can water return after precipitation? The answer is all of the above. Above.
Okay, thank you so much. That's correct. Number 5.
Can I try, Miss?
Yes, Salsa. Show me what you got.
Why is the water cycle is important? The answer is B. It provides fresh water and help regulate climate.
Yes, absolutely correct. Thank you so much, everyone. I see you guys already understand what explanation text and how to identify them. I'm very happy to know it. Maybe so far here, what do you think of explanations text so far? Can I have one person feedback?
Sorry, Miss, can you repeat the question?
Yes, I want to ask, well, what do you think of explanation text so far?
So may I help to answer, Miss?
Yes, I want to know, what do you think of explanations text after you learn all of this?
So from this, I think explanation text is to explain the non-fiction of text that explain how or why something happens, like maybe how chocolate is made, like the water cycle before we already discussed, or maybe how cloud is made.
Yes, thank you so much, Salsa. Is there anyone want to add? I guess not. Okay, that's the last part of our studies today, our lesson. I hope this section gave you a knowledge for a new experience, and I hope to see you guys again. Thank you so much, and goodbye, everybody.
Thank you so much, Miss. Have a
Thank you,
nice day
Miss.
too.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much,
much.
Miss.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
See you, Miss.